If you've reposted a TikTok video but changed your mind and want to remove it, then you should watch this video until the end to know how you can do that. Let's see how it's done. Method 1. Open TikTok. Choose a video to repost. Tap on Share button and hit Repost. To remove this, tap Share button again. You will see a Remove Repost option. Tap that option. Now a pop-up message will appear on the top saying the repost was removed. If you want to remove multiple reposts, then follow the second method. Method 2. Open TikTok. Tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Repost button. Select the repost you want to remove from your account. Tap on Share button, and then select Remove Repost. Repeat the process to remove multiple reposts. Now it will be removed from your timeline. And there you go. These are the methods to remove contents easily from Repost if you feel the content is not relevant or isn't worth sharing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.